Hello and welcome to another episode of NewsX podcast, and I'm joined by Dr. Geeta Prakash. She is a GP Internal Medicine at Max, and she's also the recipient of the Shakti Award at the We Women Want Conclave 2026 for primary healthcare. Welcome, ma'am. It's an
Thank you so
honor
much.
and pleasure to have you here.
Pleasure's all mine, really. I loved it.
Yes, ma'am.
I love these which are women oriented because I feel we need a little more attention.
So, what does this award really mean for you, ma'am? I want to understand.
You know, more than anything, I think it's just, I've always spoken about women. In fact, I used to do a radio show called Medical Meow on a channel called Meow, which was only for women.
Oh,
it was
wow.
104.8 FM when
Oh,
it started.
wow.
And then I've done a couple of Punjabi TVs where all serials, not serials, well, shows which was again on medicine. And a lot of children and mothers were sort of targeted at that. And so anything that has to do with women, I think is very important.
Okay, so then I want to understand what's one
Nari
thing.
Shakti Zindabad.
Absolutely, Zindabad. But I want to then understand why is primary healthcare really important for women?
You know, it's very important not only for our socioeconomic group, I think for the lower ones also, because I run a charitable clinic at home where I see a lot of the women bringing children or their husbands, but they sort of shy away from saying what they have wrong with them. So I think it's important for us to realize how important the woman is. I always feel she's the fulcrum in the family. She keeps it straight. The moment she shifts one way or the other, the whole family collapses.
Absolutely.
So I think it's really important for women to understand how important their health is.
Okay, so what's one thing that women ignore in their regular life aspect of health that they really shouldn't?
You know, like I said, they don't go to the hospital till they are really sick. And the other sad thing is sometimes when they go to the hospital with maybe a pain in the chest or pain in the shoulder, which we would worry about in men immediately about heart problems, they say, "Pata nahi, shayad she's a little depressed. Maybe she's going through menopause. Maybe there's something." You know, she has to be taken more seriously. That is one thing that I feel. The second thing is they must realize that at every stage of their lives, they need as much care as the men, if not more. You know, when they're starting their periods, when they become pregnant, when they become mothers, and when the children go away, leading to a little bit of depression and sadness in the time that they menopause.
Absolutely. I think
that's
emotional
important.
support also.
Very important.
Yeah. So how can we make preventive healthcare a routine rather than just following it up every few? How do we make it a routine for women?
I think that we should make sure that they come in every year. Like we were talking about, their mammograms or their ultrasound breasts and their heart care, especially as they grow older, the bone health. Nobody pays attention to it. जो खाना बच जाता है वो माँ खाती है. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. She should be a part of the family in every way. You know, she always feels बच्चों को खिला दो, husband has to go to work. But I'm happy to say that it's changing a little bit now. But the main thing is regular checkups. Make sure that you're taking a good diet. Take your vitamins as and when required. And remember, you're the most important part of the family. I think that is important.
Before we end this, I want to understand from you, what is a woman or Nari? We said Nari Shakti Zindabad. What does that mean for you?
I think it means that you have to love yourself, like that one person on stage was saying. That you are important. You are the mainstay of that family. You are the one who keeps it together. You're the one who's there as a sophomore to listen to everyone's complaints and, irritation. Anyone is angry with anything, like they say, blame the mother. So it's the Nari, which is today, I mean, look at all our goddesses. They're mainly women because they are the ones who actually fought for their children, fought for their families and themselves. So I think this is the thing we have to understand.
And then what's the one thing last in the end, an advice that you'd like to give to young women?
That, it's very important to be economically independent. It's important to be mentally, physically comfortable with yourself. Don't just wait for other people to tell you who you are. You know yourself better than anyone else.
Absolutely. Well, ma'am, an absolute honor and pleasure
Thank
to
you
have
so
you
much.
and
I love
an
being
enlightening
here.
discussion over here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.